was free to do what I wanted to. Lost everything, but I still had you. You showed me your